We have 2 thumbs up. That means drivers, hands off the controllers in 3, 2, 1, go!
And we are off for the start of qualification match number 71 here on Jones Field number 1. Both a team in the blue and red alliance, Numb Gears, joined by Mechaneers, were doing their part, launching from that far launch zone, as both of their teammates, Dahlia Engineers and the Blue Jays, are doing their parts from the near launch zones as they successfully leave to earn themselves
Drivers,
lead
pick up your
points.
controllers.
Blue team earning 2, red earning 1. As we are about to enter
3,
the driver operated
2,
period, we
1.
are very close. Just about 6 points difference between the two teams, making it anyone's game. Dahlia Engineers are going from up close, joined by Numb Gears, who are trying to line up their shot but are undergoing some technical difficulties. No worry though, their teammate the Blue Jays are doing their part from the far. It looks like both teams are up and running, meaning all teams are playing. And on the blue side, Dahlia Engineers have decided to clear that ramp partially, so both themselves and Mechaneers can fill it up once again. For the red team, it seems like the Blue Jays are struggling to find their aim, but it looks like with them having cleared that ramp, their teammates taking aim from that far launch zone and scoring some points. We are having some issues with penalties due to contact in the human player box, though that is no issue for the Mechaneers as they find their aim along with Numb Gears. Back in this near launch zone over here, we have Dahlia Engineers and Blue Jays who are fighting over trying to get a spot where they can launch successfully. They're both playing some heavy defense as they are getting ready to fire those shots. Numb Gears are launching from that near launch zone now as they are switching things up as we enter the end game. The red team has a choice to make. Are they going to empty that ramp or are they going to keep it full? And as these teams try to launch the final artifacts that they can, as we have 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And that is your
Results are in. It's a Blue Alliance victory. With a score of 136 to 118, low scoring, but 3 ranking points means upward motions for all teams on the Blue Alliance.